I wonder if they can hear the bathroom behind us. Pay no attention to the man behind the mirror. Hey guys! What's up?
Who are these girls doing a tech video?
Okay, so if you watch our vlogs, you will see in the future where we mention that we're changing things up. Because see, we've already filmed that vlog, but it's not gonna go up till after this video. We're changing things up, trying new things today. We're unboxing something technology-wise.
Which, if you didn't know, when you have a YouTube channel, you use a lot of tech. I feel like that's something we want to show you guys more of, the things we love tech-wise that help us make our YouTube videos.
Yeah. We also have an online store, so with having an online store, we also use more tech stuff. We have things for doing graphics, we have things for taking pictures, things for doing live sales, so it's the same kind of thing, so like tech all around.
So
it's a big part of what we do.
If you like the lifestyle, tech, and also beauty and fashion, you may want to subscribe because that's the kind of stuff we like to talk about. Today, we are
unboxing the iPad.
Okay, we're very excited. We were sad that there wasn't a new iPhone this year, but that's fine. You know, we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which we unboxed last year, currently using. We love it, but we didn't get one of those this year because they didn't come out. So
we had to get some Apple products. No,
we did.
Really, we wanted an iPad so that we could play with some graphics. We've been really heavily on the
Procreate TikToks?
Yes,
it's
really
so funny.
heavily.
Steph was like, watch this video, and I was like, oh, I've been on the Procreate TikTok, girl.
Yeah. So we thought, as I mentioned with our online store, we have to create graphics there, or we use graphics there, but it would be fun to create our own graphics even more.
Right.
So something this is going to come in handy for is Procreate and creating graphics.
And learning.
And thumbnails.
You know,
and all kinds of stuff.
It's gonna be a learning process, which will take you along with us if you would like, which I think that's what this whole thing we're starting to do, is involve you guys in the process of learning along the way.
Yes.
Yes.
That's what we're doing.
So I'm gonna have my iPhone 11 Pro Max, because don't underestimate the video power of your phone, okay?
We vlog on our phones. We are big proponents, is that right?
Yes.
Of using what you got.
And just because it's affordable tech doesn't mean it's not high quality.
No, and just because you have a fancy camera does not mean that you're gonna make good content.
Correct.
So it's all in the creativity.
Yes.
And how you use what you got.
That's right.
So this is the new iPad, the Gen 8, if you will.
We're going fisheye on this. We need all of the angles.
And you will go that way because it is what I said it is. So we could have gotten this one, or we could have waited until October and gotten the brand new iPad Air, which has the fancy schmancy cameras on it. These are not necessarily the ones that are gonna come with the crazy cameras, but
we're not buying it for the camera. On this one, we're buying it for the. We'll show you when we get to it, because we have a couple other products. Back it up.
I was trying to
We have a couple other products that are going to go in conjunction with this one that we're going to show you.
Yeah,
so.
I wonder if they can hear that. Haunted Mansion is burning back here. All right, so we're going to open her up.
I love opening a new Apple product. There's something so satisfying.
You can help me. Real excited. Let's do this.
Go for it. It's got to do that
the slow Apple pull. Are we gonna do it? Not. It's trying. Here it comes. I'm shaking the stank out of it. Ow. Oh, it's coming, but it's coming only on one side.
Here, push it back down.
I got it. It's just not. Ooh, doing.
There we are.
Y'all. Okay, fun fact. We have never bought an iPad.
Oh, not a brand new iPad.
We've never bought an iPad like for ourselves.
Right.
The other one was an accident, but like.
But we still bought it.
Yeah, it wasn't. We were buying one for a giveaway, and we accidentally bought a refurbished one, so we ended up keeping it and buying a new one for the giveaway. But we've also never bought an iPad. We've bought iPad minis. This is an iPad.
Yes.
So it's going to be a bigger screen. This is, I believe, a 10.5, 10 point. Oh, it's 10 point something. And we're your tech girls, right here for all the information. It's a bigger iPad than what we're used to, so I'm really, really excited.
Bigger is better.
I feel like the original iPad design, like this, reminds me of the iPhone 7s.
Yeah.
Ish.
We did go for the rose gold.
It was all that was in stock.
Right. And
We
also
really
we went for
chose
the
it.
32 gig because it saved about $100
And it was also all that was in stock.
we felt like we probably aren't looking to store a lot of content on this because whatever we create, we're probably going to be airdropping it to one of our other devices and also posting it
And we can delete.
to our various social media areas or used for thumbnails for videos.
So it came covered, and then it comes with, you know, the little thing with the like sticker, and look, you got an iPad. I've never actually really looked at these. Sleep, wake, control center. It's got this little thing right here. So cute.
Stickers. Everyone likes an Apple sticker.
Except for I don't use them at all.
This nice heavy duty plug that will charge faster than the regular blocks.
This thing is so fat and there's nothing in there.
20 watts.
Oh, it's got the rapid charger?
I mean,
That's nice.
I guess. Your cord, your plug, and let's see if there's something magical underneath the box that I don't think is gonna open.
You ready to open? We're gonna open her.
We're gonna turn her on.
I think I just,
Oh, I'm not ready for that.
I know.
Can't we just do it and leave it?
So the only iPad that we've ever really, like, other than the one we bought that's refurbished, owned and used, was one that we got at VidCon.
Right.
It was like a creator gift. Other than that, we've never bought an iPad and really like played with it. And
Steph
that
told me she really wanted to get one and play with Procreate, and I said, well, let's go get one.
let's do it for
do it for
the
do it for the
YouTube.
YouTubes. Do it for
I want to
the
put it
videos.
in this. Okay, I'll show you
Same,
guys.
same.
You
Okay,
hold it.
I will.
We got this case. We weren't ready to commit to like an Apple product case because I don't know if we just want like a smart case or if we want a keyboard or if we need a keyboard. So we had to get something.
Something for protection.
We didn't want it to be naked. It
Right.
needed to have its clothes on. So this is Target brand, I think.
So pretty.
The
Yeah,
Heyday. I think that was beautiful, Stephanie.
Go for
Can you
two.
do 3? I'm
Wow. Don't mess up our table.
Oh man.
You didn't know. Sometimes we're a bit of a hot mess. It's fine. It's fine.
I can't.
It's fine. We've got it all documented on this close-up camera
Beautiful.
right
We
here.
love it.
So.
We love to see it. Okay. All right.
Hello? Gupta?
The queen is coming.
You know that TikTok?
You know what it's from, right?
No.
You don't know what that's from?
No.
The Princess Diaries.
Oh, that was gonna be my
She's
guess.
in the high school. It's the principal, and the queen's coming up to school, and she goes,
Gupta?
the queen's coming.
Wait, is it that lady that's very, like... Is she in Austin Powers?
I don't know, but she's very energetic. Like, she's like,
Animated?
hold on. That's loud. She's high energy, for sure. I
Oh.
don't know how I feel about this, but, you know, it'll do for
Probably gonna show makeup.
the time being.
Gonna be good for protection. Can I turn this on before we put it in the face? Here we... What does that make you think of?
Go!
I hit the button. Is that enough?
I don't know. How does it turn on?
I mean, I'm assuming
No, I think there's a side button.
there's volume. There's a top button. There's a top button. There's a top button.
Do you even know Apple products?
Well, considering this is the first iPad I've ever owned and it's much newer, apparently, no, I don't know
No,
them.
we're learning. That's what you guys are here to learn with us.
Tech reviews for the normal people. Tech reviews for the people who aren't tech people.
Tech reviews for the tech people, no, from the tech people who are learning the tech as they go, but are also kind of good at tech
But
once
if
they get their hands on
aren't good,
it.
they're gonna figure it out and it's gonna be fine and they're not afraid of it.
Right.
That's the tagline that we're gonna put on our channel.
Exactly.
Hello.
Hello.
Bonjour.
We're gonna set her up in English. Boop. The US, baby. Set up manually. We're gonna go to our internet. Oh, gotta put in our password.
It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad.
Ooh. Let her in. Easy goes.
Whose fingers are gonna be?
I think you can do more than one.
Yeah. Go for it. We're setting up the Fingerprint Id. Adjust your grip.
Continue.
Okay.
Okay.
You
Can't see the
your
password.
passcode. The typing is so slow.
Okay, so we're gonna sign into one of these.
Yeah.
'Cause
Back.
cannot reset. It says this Apple ID is not valid or supported. What?
It says look for a notification that was sent to your Mac.
My Mac.
That's what it says.
No notification.
Well, it could be your whatchamacallit? Your
I mean, but this is set up with my. Oh wait, it might be in the other room. Hold on.
can't get to your Mac question mark?
I think it was going to Kelsey's.
Did you get it?
No, that was Kelsey.
Get another text.
Not doing anything.
It should be sending you a text message.
It's not. Jeez. Apple be making it so hard.
Just let it sign in. All right. Agree.
Got it.
Now it's going to take a few minutes to set up our Apple ID.
Well, while we're doing that, we can talk about the second Apple product that we got. I've been interested in this since I went into Best Buy and saw it. I want to say it was last summer or fall or something.
Right.
Or maybe it's even before that.
So can we be logged in on our Instagram and do stories and like create fun
the
stuff?
Password to that. We had wanted to have something to do, like to draw and like do stuff with, and I thought that you needed an Apple Pencil to do it on any like device, but you really just need like a touch thing to
Like a
draw
stylus.
on some of these. But the Apple Pencil does like even more than just drawing on that. This is the first generation because when I was doing my research, this is only compatible with the first, and then once you get into the new ones like the iPad Air and the iPad Pro, those are compatible with second generation. So I don't really know a whole lot about this, but let's see what we can find out by, owning it now. I'm sure we can do amazing things with it. We are artists, so,
No, we're here.
All right, I'm just opening this. Do you want to film it? Go. The pencil, y'all. It's more like the watch situation where like you pull it out. All right, what do you come with? Oh, it has like little tips and stuff. I don't know what I'm looking at.
Show them what you're looking at.
Like, it's got
I think
a
that's to
tip.
connect to the iPad or to charge.
Maybe it's a charge.
Either way, we're gonna figure it out.
They make it easy. It's got like a little tab where you pull it. Oh, and then this is even. Oh my gosh, you guys. I like the way it feels in my hand. It actually feels really good in my hand. Do you want to see what it feels like in your hand?
Yeah, it does. It has a nice weight to it.
It feels really good in your hand.
Yeah, I'm ready to write.
I like the width, like
Yeah.
the heaviness.
Yeah.
I still don't know what this is.
All right, well, let's see what we can find out.
This must unplug or Aha! That's how you charge it.
Lightning connector, fast charge and pair. So that's how you pair it.
Oh.
Stick it in there to pair
So
it.
I do have to open this.
No, pull this off again.
Oh.
And
Yeah, but what is
stick it in
this
the
for?
end. It says fast charge and pair. Charge with USB cable. That goes in between a cord and this.
We don't need that though if we use that plug, because that takes a lightning on one side, right? Am I wrong? Oh, that's not the same, I don't think.
No. The pencil goes into this little adapter and then a lightning or a USB cable.
Okay, it's gonna be maybe a little reflecty, but we plugged it in to the iPad and now it's like, welcome to Apple Pencil. So it says scribble, you can now write in any text field and it types it. Create an instant note. By tapping anywhere on the lock screen, you can automatically just write a note.
That's cool.
Easily capture screenshots. Swipe your pencil from the bottom corner on either side of your iPad to take a screenshot. Try scribble. Oh, okay. That was terrible, Stephanie.
Yeah, they thought it was an A. Is that how you take stuff off? Delete.
Scratch out the words quickly. Oh my gosh. So, okay. I'm not doing very good.
You're going too big.
Oh,
That's sexy. Surely you can type faster than that. I mean, you can do it faster than that. It's the family. Okay, my turn. Okay, it's my
I'm not
turn.
very good at this. Scribble it out. It likes your handwriting better. Boom. What is, okay, hold on. Got delete. What is select? Okay, stop. Okay.
Boom goes the dynamite!
Select. Draw a line over a word or circle it to select it. Try inserting a word to the sentence. Oh, cool. So wait, how did they do that?
Tap and hold your pencil. Oh, no.
Join characters or separate. So.
Nice.
It's fun.
All right. That was a nice little tutorial.
What does that say?
Hello.
Oh no. So, the pencil didn't have its little top on the whole time. It was naked. I'm real excited about this.
I am also very excited.
I want to know down below, A, what Apple products you've owned. B, which one's your favorite. C, do you have an iPad? And what cool things do we need to do on the iPad that we're missing out on? Because I feel like so many times I'll see people with a computer. I don't even know what I just said. I'll see people with a computer and like an iPad to the side, and they're doing things on the iPad. I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing it. I've always been weary of iPads because they feel like just a big phone. I've learned recently that there are specific apps that you can only get on an iPad. And I didn't know that.
Well, I mean, think about it, because there are specific phones that are apps that are phone only, and then some you can't use those on your iMac. So
I feel like we've been missing out on some productivity.
The most used, most needed for iPads, and kind of in the space of what we do. Also, if there are any fellow creators, YouTubers out there that find an iPad essential in creating videos, we'd love for you to share your knowledge in the comments.
I decided to see how this folds, and I'm still not quite sure. That seems right. Testing now.
Oh, I can see the TikTok we're getting into now. We're going into the TikTok Procreate section.
Can we like make it not handwritten?
I don't know. That's something we're gonna have to research.
Okay, well,
and let you guys know.
We'll play with it. It definitely says see famine. That's not what I wrote.
Well, maybe it doesn't like cursive. That's screenshotting it. I think you're doing it too long. Just do it from the side and just swipe up. No, like from the corner. No, from down. I did it from the bottom left corner.
Hey, wait, we have iOS 14 on here.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. So
don't drop the new iPad.
So this is our new iPad. Pretty excited to try some things on it. And our Apple Pencil. So
yeah,
we're gonna play with it, see what we can do. Let us know below what things we should do on it. And also let us know down below what other things you want us to unbox and play with.
Test out.
Yeah.
You do know we have Nintendo Switches. I know it's kind of a little bit different, but like...
Did it just lock?
Yeah,
this locks it?
Don't you have one that does that? The one we have with the Cynthia Vincent one locks it.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
But we
don't have that one. I have a smart keyboard one.
Oh, that's on mine. Yeah. I have the Cynthia Vincent one.
I have a smart keyboard one that like is a hard case. It's
when
not
you close
like
it,
this.
It locks it.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
I'm really excited. Like I said, I haven't really experienced full experience of an iPad. So very excited. The only thing that would make this better is if it had a little like
holder for the...
Yeah, but also this is tech. I wouldn't want that to get
We'll find out all of the accessories we need. But if you enjoyed this unboxing, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It does help us with the YouTube algorithm, because if more people are liking it, then YouTube will be like, oh, let's show it to more people. And if you haven't already subscribed, you can click the subscribe and
hit the little notification bell, ding ding, and just make sure you're checking back regularly, because we are uploading regularly. We're kind of settling in on a schedule that's not official yet, but expect videos more than once a week.
Steph likes the Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Let us know what you think. I don't think her decisions can be swayed on it. She really likes the Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday.
So see, like I would take a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but then you lose out on the weekend. So Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday sounds good.
I do be liking to watch a video on Sunday or Saturday, like a weekend video.
Yeah, you need a good weekend video.
All comments down below, and we hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna see you guys in another video really soon.
We sure will.
Bye, guys. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click the circular channel icon,
and it'll sub you right up.